Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you different methods on how to fix your ESC or your escape key, which is this is not working or not functioning in your keyboard here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let me just close this. First is you need to restart your computer. Okay. So it is a must to restart your computer and navigate to the start icon. Proceed with the power menu options. Click on restart. The moment you've restarted it, check if your ESC is now working this time on. Okay. So there are some instances that the moment you restart your PC, the problem will be fixed. However, if the issue still persists, then we need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be we need to open or run our device manager. So please proceed with the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and click on device manager. Once you do that, you would be able to open the small window, which is a window like this, device manager. You can expand it to make it bigger actually. So here you need to proceed with the keyboards. Okay, locate it. And the moment you've located, please click this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. The moment you've selected it, please do a right click and click on update driver. And this window will opt you to choose two options. Proceed with search automatically for drivers. If your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, close the window and proceed again to the keyboard driver. Please do a right click, go with update driver, but this time you need to select for browse my computer for drivers to locate and install a driver manually. So click on it and here let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on it, and it will show you the compatible hardware that is good or that will work for your computer. So select it, okay, and click on next to install that. So if you have another model here, you can select it as well and click on next and install that and check if what will work for you. Check if the escape key or the ESC key is now working this time on. However, if not, then we need to proceed to our third method. Our third method would be we need to uninstall our driver. So how we can do so, please do a right click at the start icon again, navigate to device manager, and here in this same window, you need to proceed with the keyboard. So locate it, click this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. So please do a right click and click on uninstall device. The moment you do that, this small window would confirm you to proceed with your action. Click on uninstall, and the moment you do that, please restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, it will be automatically installed again. This keyboard will be automatically installed again in your Windows, and check if your ESC key is now working this time on. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully, those steps help you to fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.